Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do a quick refresh on my hair on day 2 and 3. Today is day 3 and I mean this is pretty much what we're dealing with. It's not too bad. Most people would be okay walking around with hair looking like this. I'm not a real fan of that, to be honest, but what I do like is the amount of volume that I have and the amount of body that I have to my hair, and this is what day 2 and 3 usually brings. You lack the definition, but you do have a nice volume and nice shape to your hair. That's when you don't weight your hair down with the wrong products. Talking about products, here are the products that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the Rizzo's Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I've been playing around with this particular product. If you guys have not seen my review on Rizzo's Curls, I will link it right here for you guys to see it so you're up to date. I've been playing with this product on its own for the past couple weeks and I definitely get it now. It is a product that you can use on its own as a leave-in conditioner to refresh your hair on day 2, day 3, or even on day 1, and it does a really good job. You'll see in a second what I'm talking about. As far as the gel, I'm using my flaxseed. This one is very watery, which works very well for day 2 and day 3 because it doesn't weight your hair down. And when you have fine wavy to curly hair like mine, the problem on day 2 is, and day 3s, is that you can't add too much product. It will weight your hair down right away. You'll lose the volume. Your hair will look dirty and greasy and disgusting. And this is what we're trying to not to do. Oh, of course, we're gonna need a spray bottle with water, and I like to put a little bit of hair conditioner in there to help detangle my hair. Yes, I am going to wet my hair because without wetting my hair, I don't know how to do things. That's just how it is for me. Again, this is my personal experience. This is how I do things. It might work differently for you. And if you have a different way of doing things, please, you guys, go in the comment section and share with us how you do your refresh on day 2 and day 3 and day 4. If you are lucky enough to go as far as day 4, please let us know what your secret is. I would love to know. And voila, before I get into this video, I want you guys to know that I am going to be doing a live stream this weekend. From now on, I'm gonna start doing live streams once a month, usually at the end of the month, and I am going to be talking about all of the videos I've been posting this month. I'm gonna be going through most of your comments and see what questions pop out, and I'm going to dig a little bit more into the questions. So if you have commented on the video and you had a question, or if you have a question you have not commented yet, come and ask your question. I'll be more than happy to answer it. The live stream is gonna last probably an hour and a half. I'm starting it at 6 p.m. so it's gonna go until probably 7:30, maybe 8. I don't know. It depends on how much energy I have and how much time I can take away from my family, and voila. So I hope you guys will be there. I'll be there and I'll be happy to talk and see you. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is wet my hair. So the goal here is to wet mostly the length of your hair and leave the roots alone. Don't touch the roots. We don't want to weight it down. We want to keep that little fluffiness going on. So I'm gonna try my best because I have short hair. It's easier on long hair to wet the length and leave your roots alone, but the shorter your hair is, the harder it is to not get too close to the roots. So the goal here is to wet that hair, okay? More like dump the hair, not wet, more like humidify your hair. I cannot wet my camera. Let me fast forward through that process, okay? All right, so I have wet my hair. Now I'm going to detangle with my wet brush. Be gentle. That's the part where you want to be gentle with your hair because fine hair can break very easily, okay? So we are being super gentle. I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, all right, my loves. I'm gonna get you a little bit closer. Okay, I want to show you that the roots are kind of, they're humid, but they're not wet, okay? My roots are humid, but not wet. My length is wet, but not dripping wet. The goal here is to get your hair wet enough to be able to reform the curl, but not too wet that it's going to take you forever to dry your hair. We're trying to do something fast, something that's going to dry in 5 minutes, okay? The first thing I want to do is touch my hair and see how much products I feel on my hand. And right now, to be honest, I do not want to add too much leave-in conditioner because I feel like I still have a lot from yesterday, and if I add any more, I would weight my hair down. So just so you know, yesterday, this is the leave-in conditioner I put in. Yesterday was day 2. I don't know if I mentioned that, but today is day 3 hair. Yesterday, to refresh my hair, I used those 2 products, the Refresh and Detangle spray from Rizzo's Curl and my watery flaxseed gel. Okay, so today I don't feel like I should put a lot, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna put a little bit. This is what I'm gonna put on my entire head, okay? And that's pretty much all I'm gonna put in. I don't want to weight my hair down. I don't think that my hair needs a lot of leave-in conditioner. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my gel. I'm gonna put you back a little bit more up. Now I'm gonna go in with my gel, my Flaxseed Hair Gel. Like I mentioned earlier, this one is a little watered down, so it's great. It's just annoying to put on, but it's great when you want to refresh your hair because it adds that extra water to help form your curls, and the flaxseed gel just holds everything together, but it's still very light. And I feel like this is why I'm able to have a day 3. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it all over my head, and I'm gonna fast forward again. All right, now that I've put flaxseed all over my hair, I'm using my fine comb and I am distributing the product throughout my hair. I'm just making sure that my entire head of hair has the same amount of product everywhere. If you don't have flaxseed, if you don't want to make flaxseed because you're not a DIY person, it's fine. Just use whatever gel you have. If the gel is too thick, water it down. I will link a video right here to show you guys how I water down my gels if they are too strong and if they weight my hair down. And that could definitely help you for your day 2. All right, now that I'm done applying all the products in my hair, it's time to style. To style, I'm not gonna hand curl because I'm not feeling it today. I've not been feeling it for a few days now. I'm just gonna shake my hair. I'm gonna shake my hair as much as I can in circular motion, left and right, up and down. And once I have natural curl forms, I'm gonna take my diffuser and I'm gonna diffuse my hair. All right, let's get this party started. All right, my loves, I am done shaking and scrunching. I'm gonna go in with the microfiber towel real quick to take out the excess water. Yeah. All right, so I'm ready to go and diffuse. Right now, if I had time, I could just, or if it wasn't so cold outside, I could just go outside like this and let it air dry. But it's cold outside, it's windy outside. I want my hair to be dry before I step out. So I'm gonna go in my bathroom, I'm gonna diffuse my hair. If you would like to know how I diffuse my hair, I will link the video right here for you guys to see how I do that. And I will see you guys in 1 second with dry hair. See you in a sec. All right, my loves, this is it. This is 5 minutes later. It legit took me 5 minutes to diffuse my hair. Why? Because I did not wet my hair too much. Okay, 5 minutes to dry my hair. I am 95% dry. I was done diffusing 1 minute ago, so my hair is like poof. It's gonna come down a little bit throughout the day. There's no hand curling, there's no finger coiling. This is just me shaking my hair and diffusing it and letting my curls do what the heck they want. So yeah, this is it. Let me show you the back. So yeah, day 2 and day 3 are the days where you will have the best volume and the best body of hair. That's if you don't use product that weight down your hair. If you use too much product or product that are too heavy for your fine wavy to curly hair, then you'll definitely have greasy weighted down hair. So voila, what else did I want to say? I think that's it, you know. Be light on the product. Don't wet your hair too much. Leave your roots alone. Use products that are lightweight and water-based. As far as the diffusing part, I did stop halfway through and I apply a little bit more of the Flaxseed Hair Gel just to make sure that the gel would hold my curls, because it is a light, watery. Look at how watery. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see. I just wanted to make sure that I had as much hold as possible from that watery gel. And as far as the way I was diffusing, I didn't really need to go and dry my roots first because they were pretty dry. It's the first minute of diffusing, my roots were dry. I concentrated on creating a ball of curls, okay, because my hair is short and I wanted exactly this shape that I have right now. And with my diffuser, my head was upside down and all I was doing was this, keeping my curls in a ball, if that makes any sense. All right, my loves, I think I touched everything. I think I talked about everything. This was a quick video to show you guys how I refreshed my curls on day 2 and day 3, and I think from start to finish this took me 10 minutes, if that. All right, my loves, I'm done with this video. Before I go, I have a couple things I want to say. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Risa, who I hope I pronounced her name properly, who I met last week at the B&H store in New York City. She was on vacation with her husband for their anniversary and we bumped into each other, and that was actually my first time meeting one of my subscribers, and it was so special, and it just completely made my day. I wish I took a picture. I was taken by surprise. I did not expect somebody to ask me, hey, are you on YouTube? I actually follow you, and it was great. So happy anniversary, Risa, or Risa, I'm not sure I pronounced your name properly. Thank you so much for you know, saying hi to me and letting me know that you follow me. It means the world. And I hope you and your husband had a wonderful time in New York City. And that brings me to my live stream. Don't forget to come this Sunday at 6 p.m. on my YouTube channel. I will be more than happy to chat with you. The last live stream was so good. You guys were so awesome. And if you couldn't make it, well, guess what? I'm gonna do this every month from now on. It's gonna be this Sunday at 6 p.m. I'm gonna try to do that every end of the month. I'm not sure yet what day it's gonna fall on, but once I reach my 4th video of the month, a live stream is gonna come. I think I just said that in this video. I'm repeating myself. It's time for me to go. I will see you guys on Sunday at 6 p.m. Until then, my loves, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.